What is up, guys? My name is Hassan and it feels good to be back. The reason why I haven't been making videos was because I was out traveling the world and I just recently got back. And the best part was I was still getting paid to do so. So let's just show you guys my dividends that I've been getting for the month of August. So we can see here. So even though I was out of the country, traveling the world, I was still making my dividends right here. So whole dividend payments for the month of August. I was actually out, I actually traveled to Saudi Arabia to make my pilgrimage known as Hajj. While I was on pilgrimage, I received about 8 dividend checks. You can see 6 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the other 2 I got from my day job. Most people are obsessed about earning 2 to 4 paychecks a month, but with dividend investing, you guys can actually make 10 to 15 paychecks a month while sleeping or even traveling the world. You can just have the dividend checks come in. And guys, I have been investing for 10 years in the stock market, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It makes my small channel grow a little bit bigger. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So let's get started. So one day, I'm up about 1.5% or $159. For the week, okay, I'm up 1%. And if you look at the month, same thing, not big change. $171, which is like 1.7%. And then for 3 months, I'm up only 2.4% due to the trade wars that's happening. And I've been just averaging down as much as possible. Every time the stock dips, I buy more. So now I want to show you guys my Robinhood monthly dividend chart that how I use to track my portfolio. So let's look at January. I received $0 in dividends, and then February $4.14, March $11.89, April it went down a little bit. May $10.27, June $18, July $17, and then August. But if you guys look at my monthly Robinhood dividend chart, you can see that the overall trend of my monthly dividend income is increasing, and eventually I should be able to reach my goal of getting $100 in dividend payment. So another thing I want to show you guys. So here you can see that I received $17 and so let's do July. The reason why I'm not doing August is because the documents haven't come in. My monthly statement hasn't come in yet. So we look at July $17.52, and then my M1 finance, I got $14.81. So if you haven't checked out my M1 finance portfolio, check that out. It's in my previous videos, and which gave me about a total of $32. So that's cash payment that I received, $32 on a monthly basis. So I'm averaging about, here it says $10, but I'm averaging about around $14, $15 in my Robinhood portfolio. And for the year so far, I received about $82. All right. So guys, if you haven't made one of these charts right here, make sure you make them. Imagine you have your stock portfolio is actually a business containing multiple business. How crazy would it be if you didn't have an accountant for your business? So it's really simple to make one of these. All you do is you can have 2 columns. You can have month and then dividend. One saying months, the other one saying total dividends. Have the months written right here. and then you write down how much you get from your statement, from your Robinhood portfolio statement, or you can just tally it up. Once you do that, say all you have to do is let's practice one. So we would do, say we do months. I'm using Excel on Microsoft on my phone, and then you can do the dividends, and then you can just do like 12, say 12, 18, 25, and then you can do like Jan, and then you can do February, and you can do March, and then you can do April. After you do that, you can actually watch any YouTube videos on how to make a table, or a lot of you guys should know, just highlight it. If you're doing it on, you can even do it on your phone. You guys kick and then hit type in line. Should give you, oh, not line, or like a line graph right here. And then you can choose any of the graphs. So you can choose like, say, let's pick this one or something. And you get a graph of showing you your monthly, tracking your monthly dividend increase. So this is my chart that actually motivates me to keep investing, constantly adding money. So that way I can increase my monthly dividend that you see right here. Overall, you can see the trend increasing, and that should be the goal for everybody. All right, so at this point, I'm gonna show you guys the monthly dividend that paid me for the month of July. So let's go here. Okay, so August. So the companies that paid me, I got dividends from GIS, General Mills, Texas, Nokia, VET, Abby, PBA, Pembina for the month of August. So you can see that I received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 monthly dividends. All right, so now at this point, I wanna actually cover a question from you guys, and the question is, one of the subscribers presented the question is that, what are your thoughts on PPL? Should I invest into it? So, and I'm gonna give you guys my opinion. So let's double check. So he said PPL. So I go to Yahoo Finance, PPL, and then shows you stock price $29, and then we'll just look at what's it about. Go to details. So pretty much PPL is, I think it's Philadelphia or Pennsylvania. It's actually a utilities company, that delivers electricity. So which is good. Utility companies, they're solid income. But let's look at other things. It has a PE of 12.15, which is good, and has a awesome dividend, about 5.5%. But do I recommend buying this? On the outside, if you normally look at it, just PE, the price, and the dividend, it looks like it's a great deal, a great investment. But in reality, I don't think so, because if you look at the last 6 months or the last year, the stock price pretty much stayed flat. See, it did not move much. It goes up and down. Another thing you want to look at is let's check this out, is okay, view all. I looked at its, so its market cap is about 21. And then if you look at let's look at cash, not much. And then their debt is 23. So their debt to equity ratio is extremely high, which is a very bad sign, because we don't know when we're going to go to a recession, maybe 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, maybe 5 years. But when that recession hits, PPL might get hit hard, a little bit harder, because their balance sheet, or they're in high debt. No one here, if we were to make a private investment, we would never invest in a company that's high debt, because a lot of risky, a lot of leverage.